Hello everyone, once again welcome back in your social issue series Talk, Walk, Walk, Talk with your favorite host Nitesh, Love and Pawan. So Nitesh, do you know our youth generation gonna celebrate one wonderful day?
Yeah, it's a magnificent day for all the youth and who is in relationship. It's a Valentine Day. It's a 14th Feb.
Oh my
14th
gosh.
April. Yeah. Yeah. Do you know Nitesh? Yesterday I went in New Delhi
Hmm.
and I was in a park. So there were more than 20 youths, and I asked question. Do you know when do we celebrate Swami Vivekanand Jayanti and Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti? Their heart is still a bit. What are you asking? Then I asked, do you know tomorrow just which day we are gonna celebrate? Yeah, Valentine Days. Oh, my heart is
Actually, what happened is that Swami Vivekanand, Ram Krishna Paramhans, they don't give pleasure, but girl can give the pleasure. So that's why most of the people they chase the pleasure rather than pain and blissness and history. If someone chase the pain, it means he's trying something and doing action. So definitely he will thrive and grow in life. And pleasure in the sense, his mind will be in a stuck at the same place. Like, no, I want more pleasure. Now I think I should do this way. I should do this way, and I should do this so I get more and more pleasure. So his whole life is encompasses around only pleasure.
Bro, today is also one more thing. Black Day
Black day.
of India. You
Hmm.
don't
Pulwama.
Pulwama
Yeah.
attack.
But most of the people, they celebrating this
Valentine.
Valentine's Day. Rather, it's not just day of our India, but still they are celebrating.
So why Valentine
Lack
Day
of-
just is celebrated on the global level? Not Diwali, not Chhath Puja, not other festival, Holi.
Actually, what happens, like most of the people and our youth, they are gravitate toward the Western culture, and in West they follow the days like Christmas Day, Valentine Days. Actually, they hide the essence of Valentine. Valentine Day in the sense, all those people who are lusty and who want to get into relation and want to have dirty things. So they have given the name Valentine Day so that they can hide it.
Mm. I mean, as I'm concerned about your words, like the couples, they are in living relationship, they typically do, yeah, every day. Just but on Valentine Day, they get license from global, yeah. Today I have license, I go there, I hang out myself at restaurant, anywhere. Actually, no one can prevent them. So, in our country, who is responsible for it to just like spreadly just now this like all function like Valentine Day, even first Feb to 14th Feb are just called for just lover.
Actually, what happens? So all the business, all the business run on the Valentine Day. All the advertisement, all about the Valentine. So all the movies, all the advertisement, all the articles and magazine and all, they just talk about Valentine Day, Valentine Day. So people want to be a modern person. So they just start doing this. Even in Bihar, even in Bihar, like state, people get in the relationship and they usually celebrate the Valentine Day. So like all the businessmen, chocolate factories, companies, they get the benefit from this Valentine. All the mankind is a famous
Oh yeah.
pharmaceutical company. They also get benefit today.
Oh yeah. I got you. I
They
got
sell
you.
the balloons.
Yeah. And do you know this? Just yesterday I read data of just Blanket and Japto and Swiggy Instamart. That balloon were just sold out last Valentine Day more than 6,000 only and only in Delhi.
Hmm.
Just you can imagine like just it's celebration of that balloon, not celebration of just love and this all stuff.
Actually, now this what happens now under 18, they are more into this sexuality than above the 18. If you found, if you now what happened in the education system, you will found the nudity is totally spread among the children. All the people they usually talk about the nudity, but they never talk about the what is my syllabus and how much I have to study and tomorrow is my board exam and all. They don't know anything, but they know when to celebrate the kiss day, when to celebrate the teddy day, chocolate day, Valentine Day.
Okay, I got to know many days exactly Valentine Day, this day and this something. So just in Delhi there are also many like school. They just only compel to a student. I mean impose to wear shorts, girls. So you don't think so? Government should just prevent those all school. It just in India we have to just support Indian culture, Indian rituals, not those all cultures and rituals. Even shorts, even before 59, just 20 years ago, there was no those kind of cultures to just go to school even swords.
Actually, the way I see, all the private school, they follow like this. They provide the skirt, but in government school you won't find. In government school,
Oh, yeah.
sword is not allowed, and so I think. I mean, all the educational departments should make the law that, like under 18 and who is a student, so those students can't wear the skirt. When they wear the skirt, I mean, it's very bad message to all the male student. So I think there should be ban in India.
So do they wanna show modality? Those all private school.
No, they don't show modality. Yeah, they want to show the modality, and they want to show that we belong to high standard. Like we follow the Western culture, and everyone should follow the Western culture. And they have the notion like Western culture is superior than our culture.
That's why actually they wanna show a modality. If they will allow to just wear shorts, and definitely parents will perceive, yeah, this school will help my children to be open-minded, not narrow-minded. So they just get admission more than 1,000 just lakh student in your school. So as I'm concerned about your words, so you mentioned government should just, I mean, education department should make law regarding just swords.
Yeah.
And next, I'd like to just toss around, like other country. If I talk about, like in just European country, they don't celebrate our festival. Why they don't celebrate like Chhath Puja? There is really just huge message. I mean, deep message behind Chhath Puja. Why do we celebrate?
Actually, first thing, they don't know about how to celebrate our rituals, and second thing, they perceive India as a poor country, and
Yeah, it's bullet point. Like they
India is a
perceive-
poor country, and
Yeah.
in India, rituals and religion all are illogical.
superstition.
Yeah, actually, all the Western culture follow logical ways religion. For example, Christmas Day. Christmas Day, Valentine Day, these days. I mean, this can be practically done in any time.
Actually, they get result on this point. Yeah.
I think Pawan also want to say something.
I just don't
Actually,
have-
I want to say something.
please.
Yeah, really,
we
why
are
not?
we are awaiting for.
Actually, India people are just really interested to know what
Indians,
the
Indians.
rituals, Indians, what are the festival of Western culture. That's what we are adopting. Like, if we see in 90s, so there is no any kind of chocolate day, Valentine's Day, days also. But
Kiss Day
now,
also.
Kiss Day also. Really, but in 20s, when 20s come,
Have you ever
that-
Have you ever celebrated Kiss Day and Valentine's?
No, actually, I don't know about
No,
my
he
Kiss
hang
Day.
out. He's self with us, so that's why he is like with us. He doesn't celebrate.
He's a like-minded person.
He's likewise us.
Oh my God.
Actually, it's a mindset of our Indian people because if
We
our,
praise you. You have different mindset.
yeah, you are.
Okay. And so Nitish,
Bro, so I have a question for you. I mean, Valentine Day, Kiss Day, and Hug Day. What do you think? Like,
Hug Day also.
how it impact the society and the youth of India? These facility, days.
yeah, really wrong impact on the youth. Actually, no, actually now they don't have any boundary. There is no any boundary to just prevent them. Like before 18, I mean, below 18, they just do, I mean, hell meeting, and they don't follow celebration. They are suffering from mental anxiety, stress, depression, fear, inner instability. If they follow all Indian rituals, those all rituals help us to get inner peace.
And by these,
Mentally strong, financially strong, physically strong.
and one more thing, by this whole just festival, our teenager also get spoiled by this whole thing because they saw, yeah, they are celebrating a chocolate day, hug day, kiss day. It's a wrong impact in society. So I want to say, stop it in India because that's not a just ritual of India.
And I want to supplement it like when when the student and when the people who is below the 18 and if they try this now, it's highly addictive, so they become addictive of it and they want pleasure more than of it, so it become addiction. So that's why it also promote the wrong websites.
Actually, in most of the private school, I saw my friends at me. Really, they are just celebrating a chocolate day, hug day. Really, teachers are also motivating. Really, when
Do they celebrate teachers?
I think maybe
why not?
they celebrate outside the school
Yeah, it could be possible. And next,
because they are also human, bro.
even their student, they are celebrating. So why they will not
If
celebrate?
some teacher can make the reels, why don't they celebrate?
And next, I wanna toss around. is internet responsible for it?
Yeah, internet is a source of information, and people chase information like I mean, which kind of chocolate should I give to a girl, and which how can we kiss properly, and how kiss should be long, like all the sort of question they usually ask typically on the internet, and they I mean want to do with the perfect things.
And as I'm concerned about last year case, Sartha's like she was in a relationship and she was chopped.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then
by a Muslim boy.
yeah. So you don't think so? Like, is living relationship is responsible for these things?
It depends on the person, because
But
people
somehow
have,
it's good.
no, it's not good. We can't say that it's good, but in India it's bad, because India is not ready for relationship. I mean, living relationship, and in Western, it is practice and follow. So for them, it's familiar.
So, Nitish, should government completely prevent these? Either government should make law like below 25, below 20, just they can't enroll yourself in living relationship. Either they can.
Government can't do anything about it, because even though liquor is banned in Bihar, but still people take. So
But
how government will get to know about that these two guys are in relationship? Maybe they pretend that they are brother and sister, and maybe they have a living relationship. I mean, in different place.
actually now there is no any law. That's why they just do like illegally. Like if as I'm concerned about Uttarakhand, so Uttarakhand government has just implemented one law. If someone is in a living relationship, they will have to go magistrate office and they will have to register themselves. So you don't think so? Just government should make law. Actually, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, on that time he didn't perceive like upcoming time youth they will just bring new culture living relationship. So that's why he didn't consider on living relationship law. But now we need.
Actually, it's not effective. For example, suppose if I make a girlfriend, and if I have to live with her, actually, no, I mean, how government would know that I'm in a relationship with that girl? I can do whatever I want to do in any hotel and anywhere else, but I think it's not effective.
So it's also
Whether it's
challenging for
because-
government.
Yeah, it's very challenging for government.
But
Even
then it's
in a Bihar, if liquor is banned, but still people used to drink and they drink, so I can totally say that it's not effective.
Even there are many websites. I asked one student, then one person outside. Then he said, "Oh no, actually I just fill up my age 35, and I can access every website." So you don't think so? Even in IT sector, our government is also lagging behind.
Yeah.
I think that's the reason. Just in every year, the most of the girls were killed by in just relationship. The last time you can see one girl in relationship be chopped by one.
And bro, my question is, it would be a controversial, but I want to ask, like, I want to know your opinion only, like, why only Muslim community people do these things? I mean, I saw the data, and I can say that only someone who just get into the relation with the Muslim community, and that girl is chopped by, and that man is chopped by. Why?
As I'm concerned about your words and your data, so intentionally they want to spread their ideology.
Okay.
And their population in India, they want to come in majority to minority. It could be possible, as I am concerned about my knowledge.
I mean, for that, argument loses
Oh
essence.
yeah. So you don't think so? Like Mata Sita, okay, Lord Rama. I mean, they spent more than 14 years in the forest. Yeah. So, but when we see their like photo, so we perceive, oh yeah, they are very soft. They are looking like what's
They are modest, yeah.
Gulliver, yeah. But yeah, who just spent 14 years, that person, yeah, would be bold. Yeah, Mata Sita, even Ravan didn't touch him, didn't touch her. So we are not taught their power. They just glean in the forest. We are only taught their soft face, like just their Mata Sita is blushing.
Yeah, it's also it's also impacted by the our parenting. For example, if your parent teaches what is wrong and what is right, you will definitely grow up with the good character. If you don't have the good character, then definitely you will do these things to find the pleasure in everywhere.
Brother, if we compare our just a self with Ravan, so Ravan is just far better than us. This youth,
We are
this
not
youth
comparing.
generation, really, this youth generation. With what is going on in this generation, Ravan is not like that. Really, he's just wrong. He did many wrong things, but he's better than us. What do you think about it?
Yeah, actually, we are not comparing ourselves with the
But
Ravan.
we should compare. We should compare because
Yeah.
why comparing? We learn something.
There is no comparison between Ravan and us because Ravan is someone who has knowledge about Rig Veda, Vedas, and
Cosmos, entire cosmos.
everything, and we are a human, and there's a huge distinct between us.
It's like comparing orange and apple.
Yeah.
So we can't compare.
So that's why I'm saying why we are just why we are spoiling day by day. Why we are not understanding that's youth. We should understand.
Actually, we can only just spread the message, but it's up to them whether they take or not. Some people knows the disadvantages of doing something, but still they are doing because they become addicted of it.
Hmm.
That's a reason that in the most of the people who know just on 25, there is a Rose Kiss Day means Valentine's Day. But no one, the 90% youth, they don't know today is a black day of India. They should know any celebration on it because for us, the soldiers got die for us. Who will
So
care
as
about
I
it?
as I told you before, like Swami Vivekanand Black Day, they will not give the pleasure, but a girl will give the pleasure. So that's why they remember, and they are addictive
Actually,
to get the pleasure.
So means how can we make our youth just
Yeah.
understand these all religion are not us, not our. We should understand that. Why we are just falling day by day.
oh, one more.
We are responsible for our condition. We are
Means
responsible for our own condition.
Yeah,
Like,
I saw many people who know just this is wrong thing, but still they are doing. Oh, they think it's a fun. It's
actually,
just
what
time.
happens? Let's deep dive into this topic. Like all the movie, all the magazine, and all the people, all the actor and actresses, everyone saying that you should have a girl. And all the stories, all the fantasies, drama, and web series. It's all about a hero has a hero has a heroine, an actor has an actress, like all that. So we automatically perceive that why am I alone? I mean, I mean, we take the meaning of life from the actor and actresses and the fake and fantasy and dream world. So that's why in real world it totally badly impacted. All the youth want a girl. If you don't have the girl, then you are useless. They connected their worth, their self with the girl. Like if you have a girl, then you are better than most of people. So that's the
they
reason.
are icon. They are
Actually,
icon for.
you can
Yeah.
take the live example of Brahmastra. It's an iconic movie, but still, he just put the heroine really unnecessary. There is no need of heroine, but
Yeah,
still.
even I like the one word, like it's a flame. It's a flame of love.
Yeah.
But I would say like it's a flame of havas. It's not pure love. It was whatever they shown. It's not a pure love. It's a pure havas.
You know, in
Lust.
this generation, the who first he met with girl and just after they married. What is this? It's not a just our culture we are just following. Means first we just connect
much
with
knowledge.
Yeah. I think what happened is that if I compare with the Krishna love, I mean, pure love is out of all physicality. For example, I mean, if a girl is not getting intimated with you, but if you love her, na, then definitely it's a pure love. But if you want intimated with a girl, it's
So
not
it's a
pure
love.
love. It's something you want.
And why are youth? They don't wanna be like a freedom fighter. Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Swami Vivekanand. Why? Actually, it's difficult for them. Swami Vivekanand just gives message to us. You will have to go through just rough way. You will have to take challenge. You will have to struggle. But youth, they keep away.
Life,
Is all
the life of Swami Vivekanand is not easy. It was not easy. It was so hard. So that's why people, afraid to take the challenges, and they even don't want to be a courageous person, intentionally.
So that's why now we just youth generation, they have keep away themselves. They have kept away themselves from those all just a stronger
Yeah.
and just Indian icon person.
Mhm.
Even like Chandrasekhar Azad always say to just you will have to fight for your right. And even 18 and 19, they just sacrifice their life for us. But now 18 and 19, they are on the phone for char number, Free Fire, PUBG, and this all
Girlfriend,
video
boyfriend.
game, girlfriend, boyfriend, Valentine days. Do you think if you like just Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, if they celebrated Valentine days, did our country get freedom?
Actually, I mean, the country now, all the people are not free. What is freedom? I'll tell you what is freedom. Freedom in the sense disorder. disorder with the rules and regulation. If you are a free person, then you are out of all the orders. So that's why people, society doesn't want to be free. If you become free, then who will follow the rules and regulation? You will be disordered. Like for example, if I'm getting teach by a teacher, and if I become a disordered person, then definitely he will kick me out from the institution.
Actually,
So
our political, it's blind. You can take the live example that there is one show.
for example, if you get into any spiritual institution, and if you speak against them, then definitely they will kick you out.
Do you
Why?
know,
Because they want you to be illogical.
do you know about the Kolkata case? Really, it just got month, but nowadays also unki just latent. It's a Indian got latent in which they are using abusive language to make a person
Oh, yeah,
people
yeah.
laugh.
Actually,
But
there is a reason why do we abuse.
Allahabad podcast.
yeah, really, he just used a wrong word for the people raising a voice to them, but they forget.
Did you know why did he use this word? To get attention, get attention, views and TRP. That's why he used.
Why they need just get on teacher? Because he have the much popularity.
Actually, he knows it very well. In our country,
Actually, what
70% youth they want these words.
Urfi Javed and many Aurora, like all the personality. If they were excoriated when they made the Kacha Badam and all, then girls will not get promoted, and now they influenced by them like Anjali Arora and Urfi Javed and all. They are just making the video and they are getting famous, so they are also showing off. If they, I mean, if someone stop on that time, no, there wouldn't be these things happen. Now the Instagram, all the bad things start happening.
You can take the tapari.
Yeah,
The tea
Instagram.
Like
has
which
become-
kind of underwear you wear? Whole thing. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Like this thing happening in the society.
but it's on trend.
Actually-
Actually, people are just following. Means are just 90%.
Yeah, it's on the trend, but why they are out of the track?
You don't think so? Like advertisement is also responsible for it. Like on like even a national channel,
Yeah,
they
national
let
channel is responsible for
they let all company to just advertise your just product, even C4 and just wine and each and everything they advertise.
Even if you see, like there are many companies, they advertise the balloons on the TV and the hoardings, so they are also responsible for that. People see the hoardings and they start fantasize like I should use the balloons and all that.
Even I saw just at India Gate, nearby only 50 meter,
Yeah.
just far from President House. There was that balloon advertisement.
What do you think
Yeah,
India should ban
They wanna just like praise of our leaders to use that. That's why most of India they just stay there.
Yeah, even the most of the actresses, they also advertise these balloons.
What do you think? India should
Even
ban.
like underwear is advertised by like just Tiger Shroff.
Tiger Shroff
In
is
a
a
wrong
Patani,
way, in a
like-
wrong way. Just
Brother, listen, Nikhil.
yeah.
What do you think? India should ban those just advertisement regarding to pan masala or just dilbag, these whole things, because by the ads
Bro.
of
One thing you will notice, if you see the advertisement, they will never say that it's gutka. I mean, they say in Dane Dane mein kesar ka swad. It means they never say that, and but when you buy it, na, it is something else.
You will get
So-
different.
Different.
So what do you think? Why India's just people are blind? They can't just see it's a not good for
And
health.
no one can claim and because what advertisement say. I just I'm selling the elaichi because Dane Dane mein kesar ka swad. I'm selling the kesar, and ultimately, and what we get, I mean, the packet has different tagline and advertisement have the different tagline. I have seen.
Even you all get instruction written there,
Yeah.
like below, like you don't have to just eat like below 18 and 19, and these all advertisements are only fictional.
Yeah.
So, but still they are in habit of to take,
Hmm.
and they survive. So now it's time to just wind up. So guys, the punchline of this conversation
Okay.
is just follow only Indian culture and just please celebrate Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, Subhash Chandra Bose, not Kiss Day, Valentine Day. So thank you. Keep on having a smile on your face.